Give me your number. Not come on here. Not give me your number. No.
Deplorable road. This road is about 16.5 kilometers and it cut across 2 local government areas, Obiako and Amaechi. In Obiako, it affects the Nobo-Proshi, the Atali, and also the Emeka axis of Obiako before entering Amaechi. It's a major access road like most traders, both from Aba and deep down inside Amaechi, they normally use to do their business in their main market. And from our information that got to us, this road has been bad, not just bad, but unpassable for the past 11 years. And you know our mantra, the people's first, we felt is very important. No matter what is going to cause us, no matter even the situation, it's the rainy season. But I insist we must do something about this road so it can improve the life of our people here. So I've come myself to see what they're doing. I'm really impressed with the extent of job. It shows the contractor understands our passion to make our people happy. And I'm really impressed. We'll be coming here again because I've assured them in the next 3 months, this road must be put to use. Thank you.
Push up. Go back. Push up, please.
Like after this bush, you see the water from here to that warehouse. No. Jay. And they are several like that.